Hello, welcome to Onsite. So today we'll be seeing how you can set multi-level approval in Onsite. So first of all, we will be going to the company setting. Inside company setting, we will be going to multi-level approval. So this is the module for which you can set multi-level approval. So let me set a multi-level approval for purchase order. So I will click on purchase order, new approval rule. So I will set the minimum and maximum range for this approval to go through, like let's say from 0 to 5 lakh. So I want all the POs to go through this particular hierarchy if it's created between 0 to 5 lakh. If the PO is between this range, it will go to this particular hierarchy. So let's say level 1 is admin and purchase manager. Level 2, I want to set admin and procurement. Level 3, I want only admin. Level 2, I don't want admin. So you can set multiple roles also, so either of them can approve, like admin or the purchase manager can approve the level 1. Level 2, only procurement manager can approve. Level 3 will be admin's decision. So higher the authority, he has the supreme approval power. So level 3 can directly skip level 1, level 2 and give the final approval, and level 2 can skip level 1 and give the second level approval. Okay, so higher the authority, he has the higher approval power. So now let's click on publish to publish this approval. So same pattern, let's create approval for task progress. So I'll click on add new approval. So let's say first is for project manager. Second, I want to set my task coordinator. Third is for admin. Let me remove admin. So now I will click on publish. So task progress will go through this particular approval hierarchy. So similar way, I have set approval for site expense also. Now let's see how it works. So I will go to the procurement tab. I will click on open material request. So I will create a PO for my current running project, that is Elite Residency. Create PO. So I will select a vendor, create. So I will add a unit rate. Let's say it's 400. I will save and publish this PO. So now this PO will go through the particular approval hierarchy which we have created. So level 1, either purchase manager or the admin can approve. Since I am the admin, I have approved the level 1. So if the level 1 is approved, it will be only partially approved until the level 3 is approved. So level 3, I am the admin, I can directly skip the level 2 and give the final approval. So the PO is fully approved now. So this is how the approval works. Now let's go to project and see how it's done for the task progress. So I will open one of my running project, click on task. So I will open one of my running works here, like flooring work, it's current scheduled work. So I will click on progress here. Let's say today 50 square feet of work was done. I will click on save. So you can see it has went to pending. The progress has gone to pending. So you will come out of this. You have this thumbs up option here. You click on that, you can see all the approvals of this project which are pending. So I will click on this flooring work. I can approve it from here. So I can directly skip the project manager and task coordinator, that is level 1, level 2, and give the final approval since I am the admin here. Okay, so either of them, if rejects the approval also, level 3 can give the final approval. So this is how the approval works. And let's do a site expense entry and see how it works for the site expense. So I will click on create transaction. I paid, let's say there was a 800 rupees site expense done from my end. So I will click on that. Now you can see it has come for approval. I will click on that. I can also give the approval directly from here. So this is how the multi-level approval works. You can set multiple level hierarchy. Like I have set a 3-level hierarchy now. And you can, if you want to see on a company level, all the approvals which are pending, you can see on the home page here on the approval pending section. If you click here, all the approvals which are pending, you will be able to see and you can approve it from here. Now let's see how it works on the on-site application. So I'll go to my on-site application screen. So this is my admin screen. So as you can see, you have this approval pending option in the home page itself. Here you can see all the approvals which are pending and all the POs, approval for the PO which are pending. So I can click here. I can give approvals from here. Okay, so PO can be approved from phone as well. And you can go to the project. That heritage estate is one of my running projects. So let me put a Let me do a site expense. Let's say 500 rupees is a site expense. Save. Now click on pending entries. So here you can see all the approvals which are pending. So I can directly, since I am the admin, I can directly give the final approval. So this is how multi-level approval works in the application. Okay.